Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about machine learning. So machine learning is very simplified manner I want to discuss this particular video. So it's as much as the name itself saying that machine plus learning. So we are going to teach the machine how to learn like us. So before entering into the machine, let us discuss about ourselves. How we usually learn when we were in kids. We will learn from our parents, our teachers, our social activities and our society, right? For example, I have a kiwi and the apple with me, okay? So suppose if I ask you, which is kiwi, which is apple? So you very well say the thing that this is kiwi, this is apple. Then my next question is, how did you knew the thing that which is kiwi, which is apple? So you will say very well, of course we know that apple, the color is different, kiwi and apple, and the texture is different. This is little soft compared to the kiwi, and again what the taste would be different. So we have n number of things are there to say about that which is kiwi, and size also, right? The size also it's little small compared to the apple. So we usually say the thing that which is kiwi, which is apple, this is nothing but whatever our past learning. So whatever we have learned, it is in our brain, so it's stored as a data, and that data whenever we see another set of, not the same kiwi and apple, you are seeing another set of kiwi and apple in the market, definitely we will identify the thing that which is kiwi and apple. This is the method we are going to teach the machine how to identify. Whatever I said, the size is different, taste is different, and texture is different, and these are all the things so called features. So in one singular, that is Excel table, if you consider, there is lots of rows and columns, correct? All the columns we usually say that attributes, okay? But in machine learning, all the columns are attributes, maybe 20 columns, attributes are there, fine. But whatever I said, 3 to 4 columns, very important to make the decision, which is kiwi, which is apple. If I want to make the decision, for making the decisions, maybe 4 to 5 columns, 4 to 5 attributes, very important, that is so-called feature. So that complete feature will change my decision making. So we have to teach that machine that how you have to see the difference between the kiwi and the apple. So come to the our real-time scenario in e-commerce platform. One of the best example I can say, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, lots of e-commerce platforms are there. So if you have seen that you are going to buy one bat, automatically they will suggest you that the end of the page, that is if you are buying bat, please buy the ball also, plus you can buy some scarf. It's a kind of the kit, the complete package. They are suggesting frequently the buy. This is so-called market basket analysis. So what is that? Suppose if you added lots of things in your add to cart basket, what would happen? After some times you will receive the message from the particular e-commerce, that is Amazon or Home Center, that is 5% off because it is long pending in your cart. So this is nothing but how we usually think. How we usually think, the same thing we are going to teach the machine also the same way to think, to identify. So CAPTCHA is one of the best example. In any website if you go, they will ask you, you are a robot or not. If you are I am not a robot, then you have to click that wherever the signals. If the red color signals boxes are there, hope you understand, the red color signal boxes are there, then you have to select that kind of the thing to identify that you are not a robot. So these are all the things, the examples for machine learning. Then come to that applications. If you come to the applications, it's used in healthcare. How they are using in the healthcare? All the patients' data. Suppose if you go to any multi-speciality hospital, it's a big chain of hospital, any hospital if you go, they will ask you your name and complete detail, patient details, and what is your problem and everything in the desk itself, reception itself. Why? They are collecting all the information, then they will suggest the list of doctors they are having. From the doctor they will suggest you. Then first time you are visiting, the second time you are planning to visit over there, they will, all our health records would be there. So this is very sensitive data. So machine learning will use for the thing that then they will suggest you. Suppose for diabetics kind of the thing, if you are visiting the hospital, and after some time you will receive the thing that it's a health checkup and all the things. Why? The machine will coordinate with the thing that what all our needs. And another best example I want to say the thing that Alexa. So we know that if you are saying, hi Alexa, can you tell me that this details, then Alexa will tell the details. Or if we ask Alexa play the song, the Alexa will play the song. My question is, if you are not calling Alexa and Alexa is, that is still it is on, but we are not calling hi Alexa or something, then the rest of our discussions or whatever we are discussing in the phone, Alexa is listening or not? Maybe you think that Alexa is not listening. Once we call Alexa, then only Alexa is listening. No, it's wrong. Alexa is listening all the informations, all the details, all the discussions, whatever we are discussing in that particular surrounding. When we call Alexa, then only Alexa is start replying back. Otherwise, Alexa is still calm and listening. And when you will call Alexa, it's ready to listen. Here my question is, all our discussions is a kind of a data where it is storing. This complete data where it is storing. How it would be useful for the sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis, if we discuss, one of the best example I can say that hammam. Hammam soap, we know that, right? And we usually think that hammam is a perfect Indian product because it's an Indian company. We believe that because hammam, the green color, and neem is from our country. Of course, the mom is in sari. So automatically, it's look like my mom. So it's my country. That is the thing. But it is not. Hammam is a Hindustan Unilever, but it's a British Dutch company. The head office is located in London, UK, and Netherlands. But of course, we are subsidiary. But the problem is that this is a sentiment for me. If these are all the patterns are there, of course, this is my decision making. There is nothing wrong with this one. This is the way our pattern works out. And another thing I want to say that the application is fraud detection. For example, if you are working in a banking sectors and BFSI sector, I hope this will most related to you. If you have a credit or debit card, and if you are swiping your card in one particular place, for example, you are swiping a card in Delhi, and next 15 minutes, the same card is swiped in some country like London. So whomsoever, even if you are having your own jet and private jet and all the things, you definitely will not move from Delhi to London 15 minutes. So this is the kind of the automatically in bank, that is automatically your card would be blocked without saying yes, because it's proven that it's a fraud has happened. So this is so-called fraud detections. So these examples will help you that how the machine is learning from our past experience. So if you ask me what is the definition of machine learning, the first one is it learns from the past experience and it creates the pattern and it predicts the future. That is the definition for the machine learning. In moving forward, we are going to see about that what all the statistical learning algorithms are needed to move further. If you have any suggestions and questions, please let me know. Thank you.